What I found on Aliexpress for $2. Take a look this module. What do you think? What is it? It's a 1S-8S or cells single 3.7 volts lithium battery capacity indicator tester. 4.2 volts says display electric vehicle battery power tester for lithium batteries. Yes, this is a module for showing the capacity of the battery, and you can choose from 1 to 8 cells, which is great. I order, and of course I got it, and of course without bubbles. Okay. And here it is, the module. Oh, what it says. So we have two points, positive and negative, where I will solder the wires for input, and on this side we have 8 from S1 to S8. That means how many cells you are using and you want to monitor the voltage. And let's say if we want a single cell, I need to solder these 2 points on S1 to make a short circuit, or whatever you want, maybe S5, and it will indicate the capacity with 4 bars, which is great. The same thing is described very well in description. It says if you are using 3 cells in series, you need to connect the S3 point, and it will show with 25, 50, 75 and 100%. And here it is the diagram for 1S to 8S. 8S meaning that is 31.2 volts maximum with 100%, or 1S 3.9 volts maximum. Looking nice. Alright, let's solder some wires. Now I will make a short circuit on S1, but we're gonna, is it okay? Yes. Okay. And for sending some voltage to test the capacity, I'm gonna use my latest USB power, which is PD trigger. Yes, you can see that the input voltage is 12 volts, and I can adjust the output voltage from 0 to 30 volts, because this thing trigger my PD charger to give 12 volts, but also this one is a DC to DC converter booster, can boost the voltage from 12 to 30 volts, but right now we're gonna use only 3.7 volts, so we can monitor the capacity on this module. But before that, let me share my Ko-fi page, where you can support my channel and support my work with 1 coffee or more, or be a monthly subscriber. Here it is the latest supporter, which is Unthread2. It's a monthly. He sent me 1 coffee. Thank you, sir. Coffee supporter also sent me 1 coffee. Thank you very much. The Thomas Whitman sent me 2 coffees at once. Thank you, sir. And he wrote also, bubbles are awesome. The link will be in the description below, so you can check it. Thank you. As I said, I'm gonna use this USB power. We have here a fast connector. I'm gonna connect positive to positive, negative to negative, and nothing happens. Why? Because I need to turn on the output. You see, now the out is 0 volts, the input is 12. Also, you can monitor the temperature, the amperes, the ampere hours, the watts. And let's turn it on. And what it says? The output voltage is 3.4 volts. And take a look, how cute is that? 2 bars. Let's increase. with this knob I can increase the voltage. Let's going up. Okay, first I'm gonna select output and going up 3.85 3.9 volts, and we have 4 bars on the module. Let's go to 3 bars at how many volts? 3.7. Yes, at 3.7 volts we have 3 bars, and let's go down to 3.4, 2 bars, 3.2, 1 bar, and how many? Whoa, I go to lower. How much I need to set it? Yes, at 3.1 volt all bars are turned off. I'm gonna go to 3.7. Yes, working nice, because on the module I select 1S. Nice. Turning off, turning off, turning on. Beautiful. And it looks nice. Okay, let's change to 3S or 4S. Let's go with 4S. That meaning 4 cells. 4 cells times 4 volts, 16 volts. Four cells. Let's make a short circuit at full 4 cells. Come on, man. Yes. And now, using my portable microscope, I will show you what is going on. And take a look. Maybe this way is better. Yes. Take a look. Now the S4 is short circuit, and S3 is free. S1 I tested, and we have also S8, 7, 6, 5. Nice. Take a look what does this microscope. Beautiful things you can see very closely. Okay. I'm setting the output voltage to 16 volts. No, I'm gonna set first to 13.3, turning on, and we have only 1 bar. Increasing the voltage a little bit more. We have 2 bars at 13.6 volts, little bit more. At 14.6 volts we have 3 bars, and maybe 15, yes, 15.2 volts we have 4 bars, and that will indicate fully charged battery if you select 4S. That means 4 18650, for example, cells connected in series, and if they are fully charged, this module for showing the capacity of the battery will tell 4 bars. And looking nice. And this is pretty useful for battery projects. Turning off, turning on. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. All the links for the products will be in description below, so you can check them. And that was all for today's video. A short video review for this guy, which is pretty useful. Okay, give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!